I've got is a DZG, baby. Quality control. And we're going to do this right here because it seems like it's sensitive to maybe static or dust or human excrement. Human sweat. Take it out of the box very carefully, and there you have it. And there's no, well, there is a fan on this one, so that's the heat fan. When it gets, once it comes on, it's going to probably start automatically to cool this thing. So it's got the standard H connector, and it looks just like the other light. So what we're going to do is take the other light out, and basically we're going to put this one in and see if it fits, because I'm out on my low beam. So let's get with it. There's 2 screws on the sides. Not sure what was catching that. I think maybe the harness here. I'd like to put an LED in this, but I'm not sure what that's actually for. So the harness is back down in here that you could just take this off, but it's really in there. And if you got it out, I'm not sure how you would stuff it back in there. Whoops, I guess that's how. And we had a screw still stuck in there. One has the plastic popped off, and this one doesn't. That's all there is to it. All right, we get the gloves on, ready for the fight. Hope you can see. What the heck? Figures I would forget the sequence. When you get old, that's what happens. That goes there. think we're done. Put the little dust cover, water cover back on. Get it to where it'll stay on. And we're ready. Look at that. Beautimous. It's a matter of having the right tools. Low beam, high beam. It works. Nice.
It's winter. Looks like it goes on the outside. It's a washer. Oh, the washer goes on the other side. Cold out here, so the finger's not working as well. Funny how you do something a few times extra, you get a lot better at it.
Super nice. So about 25 bucks. I don't know. I don't remember. It gives it a nice blue tint. Definitely going to be bright on the surrounding areas. And that's funny, that little analog yellow bulb in there. I'll have to find out what that is. If you guys know, let me know. That's it. Got the DZG ready to conquer.